Here's how to fix Automix on iOS 26 if not working. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to the settings, scroll down until you see the apps option. On the apps option, what you need to do is to search for the music app and then click on it. After clicking on it, what you need to do is to scroll down and click on song transition. Make sure that it is turned on. As you can see, the auto mix is not on or it is still on the blurred fact. And as you can see, it's only available if you subscribe on Apple Music. So what you need to do is go back to the home screen of your phone and subscribe to the Apple Music if you want. From your home screen, go ahead and click on the app library and search for Apple Music or simply Music. After searching for the music, you will click on the continue option and then you will see there the subscription. Click on accept now if you want to subscribe and then go back to the settings and see if the auto mix is or now ready for edit.